people probably didn't want to be in the water just because it was overcast and in some places pretty rainy.
This was one of those days that it just was all day.
Yes.
I didn't always make that face, though.
He does that so well. All right, David and Lisa, good evening, everybody. It was one of those kind of blah days, but it could have been a lot wetter, and some folks would like to have had more rain for their gardens and lawns. It didn't really materialize in some spots, but we knew it was a kind of a touch-and-go forecast last night of exactly where those strips of rain were going to show up, and we'll show you that shortly. Now it looks not bad around Boston, kind of an interesting sky as we get closer to sunset. The high today at 2:30 this afternoon was 81 degrees. That's 1 degree above the average high for this date of 80, and the record high on this date, 100, back in 1944. So right now, Boston's temperature is at 78. The dew point is 68, so we're right in the high zone in terms of the humidity. I know you've been feeling all day compared to what the beautiful weather we had over the weekend. The southwest wind is blowing at 15 miles an hour, but that's going to shift around to the north and northeast later tonight, and that's going to make it kind of cool along the coast tomorrow compared to what we have had. And overnight, this is the way it's going to shape up in Boston. The temperatures will slowly trickle back to the lower 70s in the early morning hours. Lots of clouds will be around much of the night, and I don't think there's going to be much chances in terms of rain around here. So these are the current numbers, and we're looking at off to the northwest, some nice drier air, which is going to be coming down from the northwest and coming our way to make it more comfortable tomorrow and also on Thursday. So this is the deal now. We're in the high zone, almost oppressive humidity. It is really oppressive off to the southwest, but that air really isn't going to stream in here. We got the piece of that muggy air today, but slightly drier air will be seeping in late tonight, and we'll feel that tomorrow. So in the afternoon tomorrow, the dew point is 58, and that will be repeated at 2 o'clock on Thursday afternoon, so more comfortable air. Then it starts to get a little stickier on Friday, and it gets very humid again on Saturday, and probably into the oppressive zone here on Sunday. Most of the rain fell today over southeastern Mass, and Nantucket probably ended up with a jackpot. We don't have a rainfall amount there, but the radar shows it could have been close to 2 inches of rain there, while other places barely got a sprinkle. There are a few scattered showers to the north. There have been some thunderstorms up in here. There was one severe thunderstorm near York and Maine and Cape Nettic early this afternoon, but that has disappeared. And this action coming down from the north looks like it's going to continue to fizzle. So even though we can't completely rule out a shower or thunderstorm, I don't think there's going to be too much going on as we go through the night and get into tomorrow. So we're looking at quite a bit of cloud cover. So slight risk of a shower coming into northern Massachusetts, remaining humid, lows around 67 or so tonight, upper 60s in most locations, and high temperatures tomorrow range from 70 to 75 along the coast with that northeast breeze, most brisk near the coast, but penetrating England as well. So in Metro West, it'll be closer to or just slightly under 80. Then you get into north central Massachusetts. That's where our highest temperatures will be tomorrow and for the next few days in the low to middle 80s there, farther away from the ocean. So here's the front, which is settling south, which caused the thunderstorms up to the north today. But we're looking at varying amounts of cloud cover for tomorrow. At times the sun will be brighter, at times a lot of cloudness around. Might look like it's going to rain, and there's just a slight chance of a shower. And there's a slight chance of a shower the next several days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But for the most part, there isn't going to be anything widespread. So if you're going to the beach tomorrow, not the greatest beach day, not the greatest amount of sunshine, but at least there'll be some through the clouds at times. We've got a low tide in the morning and a high tide just before noon. Air temperatures in the 70s and water temperatures between 64 and 74 degrees. Cape and the Islands, okay for the next few days. Not looking too bad, but varying amounts of cloud cover tomorrow, partly sunny on Thursday and Friday. And then it looks like hotter weather's coming back for the weekend, as you can see here. Over the next few days, again, partly sunny, slight chance of a shower every day, but most places will not see one. The muggy weather is back Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and we may have the next couple of 90-degree days starting on Monday and Tuesday, low to possibly middle 90s. Summer is not over yet.